Okay, well, the last part of this lesson is about dividing proper fractions and mixed numbers. Again, it starts out very much like the multiplication. If you have any mixed number, you need to convert that to an improper fraction. Then here's what you do. You got to keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Kind of like KCC, but it's KCF. At that point, if you prefer, reduce inside the problem, if possible. That's any numerator is fair game to any denominator as long as the same number goes into both. Multiply numerator to get your new numerator, and multiply the denominator by the denominator to get your new denominator, just like multiplying. Then you reduce or simplify. So I'm going to keep, change, flip. So keep, change, flip. So 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So I'm going to get 9 over 10, and that's my correct answer. For this next one, it's a mixed number, so I'm going to multiply and add. 10 plus 4 is 14 over 5, divided by 11 over 10. Again, I'm going to keep, change, flip. So keep it, change it, flip it. 5 goes into 5 once and into 10 twice. I'll get 28 over 11. And again, I'm going to come here and do 28 divided by 11 just to see what I get. Oh gosh, I get something horrific. But it does tell me that it goes in twice. See, because it has the 2.54 whatever. So if I take 2 times the denominator, 2 times the 11, I get 22. How many is left over to get to 28? It would be the 6. So it's 2 and 6/11. Just to make sure, see the 5, 4, 5, 4 like we had before? That's that part. Again, for this last one, I get 12 plus 2 is 14 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. Wouldn't it be nice if you could cross reduce right there, but we can't. We need to keep, change, flip before we can do that. So keep, change, flip. Ugh. And now how horrendous, because now I can't reduce at all. So I'll get 28 over 9. And again, I'm going to do that same thing that I've done before. 28 divided by 9 equals, 3.11111111. Oh, if I remember about these, it should make you make it easier for us to know what is 0.1 repeating. It must be 1/9. That's what that means. Now, it's not tough, but it's also not always very helpful to try to do this in a calculator. But we're going to do a couple. We're going to do at least this one, where I get 5/6. I'm going to put that into the calculator. 5 divided by 6, and I'm going to get 0.833333333. So I know that this is 0.83 repeating. This one is 0.75, and you can put that into a calculator too if you don't know that offhand. I'm going to put that into the calculator. 0.75 divided by 0.833333333. Oh, and look, I get 0.9. Put the 1 underneath the decimal, put the 0. Look, I get 9/10. So it works sometimes, easily. Let's do this one. 2 4/5. I know it's going to be 2.4 divided by 5 is 8, so it's 2.8 divided by 1.1 tenth. I can actually put that into my calculator. 2.8 divided by 1.1, and I get 2.54 repeating. Now here's where the problem comes in. It's trying to get that to convert to that fraction. Some people like to do guess and check. Sometimes they go, it's just easier for me to do this work. So that's up to you. We'll do one more. Might as well since we're here. This is 4.6 repeating divided by 1.5. And you can certainly use your calculator if you don't know those. 4.6666666 divided by 1.5. And that gets me that, I'm sorry, I thought you could see that, my bad. 3.11 repeating, which would still be that same answer. So that's nice. So that's a real quick reminder about how to do all of those things.